Hi, my name's Tom McWalters. I'm a engineer from Microwave Development Labs, and we're at the SATCOM 2016 show this year down in right outside of Washington, D.C. And I just wanted to introduce MDL to you. Our product line is basically any waveguide type component, passive component, including rotary switches, rotary joints, waveguide and coax. And we also this year have brought out some SATCOM products specific to this show. A couple of them are these OMT feeds that we produce with a customer of ours, and two different styles, one for this one and then this one, which has a bit sampler on the side for an SMA connector. The other thing specific to the satellite show is these waveguide to coax end launch adapters that we've introduced a full line of. They're high power. They offer very low VSWR without any tuning screws, so that's how they can handle the power. If you have any need for those, you can contact us. We have them in full band for SATCOM in 137 and 229 and extended bands as well. We also have rotary joints that are in the SATCOM range as well for this show, as well as full band. We make rotary joints in every guide from WR28 to WR284. The only other thing I'd like to talk about is one of the things we've added to our manufacturing process, which is kind of neat these days, is in our rotary switches, we've gone to what they call additive manufacturing, which is making the rotors that are printed in 3D printers in metal. And what happens is the printing machine has a layer of powder, aluminum powder, and it uses lasers and builds the whole rotor up from the base of that, from the bottom up, and then we machine it to fit inside the rotary switches. And this is instead of the traditional tooling we would have to make that costs a lot of money to cast rotors. MDL is fortunate because we have our own foundry in New Hampshire that we can cast any products. And one of the things MDL, which has been around over 60 years, is famous for is for our castings that a lot of customers buy from us in the waveguide industry. And now we have another additive manufacturing where we actually use 3D printing. We'll build a CAD model, 3D printed in wax, and send it up to our foundry to be cast in aluminum or beryllium or silicon bronze, whatever the customer's need is. So these are the new products we've been working on in MDL, and thanks for visiting with us.
My name is Gordon Riblett. I'm the president of Microwave Development Labs, and I'd like to introduce our new sales manager, Matt Caulfield. Matt has a long experience in the microwave industry. He started out with Microwave Associates, then was working for a number of years for Alpha, which has become Skyworks. And then after that, he was with Maycom, and following that, I think with
California Eastern Labs,
and also Richardson Electronics. So we're very glad to have him on board with our company. This is his first show, so he's getting some experience with the waveguide components that we make.